Hello guys, welcome to Kho Academy, and in this video we'll be talking as to how Hawala or Hundi system works. So this is a very basic scenario, and I will teach you how Hawala system work. For example, a sender needs to send money to the receiver. A son could be sending the money to his father. So let's suppose it's $5,000. So the sender, that is the son, wants to send his father, that is the receiver, $5,000. Now, instead of normal banking channel or other mediums like Western Union or any other, what the son is does is that he sends it to his father through Hawala. Now, the sender will first give the money to a Hawaladar in a particular country or in a location, and he will give the cash to Hawaladar, and Hawaladar will in turn give a particular code to the sender. Now that could be anything like 123 XYZ. Well, it will be a difficult code. So after Hawaladar receives the cash, he gives that particular cash to another Hawaladar in another country where the father or the receiver resides. Now the Hawaladar will give that code. Remember, not the money. The Hawaladar will give the code to another Hawaladar in the country where the beneficiary is located, and the sender will also, remember, tell the receiver the remittance code which the original Hawaladar gave the sender in return for the cash. So sender will tell the receiver that particular code 123 ABCD, and when the in country B the Hawaladar gets the remittance code from the Hawaladar in country A, he will give the cash. It's the cash already sitting with Hawaladar in country B. So Hawaladar will give the receiver cash of $5,000, and in return, but remember, Hawaladar will only give the cash to receiver in country B when the receiver will tell him the remittance code. And from where will the receiver get the remittance code? The sender will tell him the remittance code which the Hawaladar in country A gave to him. So in this whole scenario, as you can see, that money did not actually travel from sender to receiver. There is no money trail because sender did not directly send $5,000 to the receiver from country A to country B. So that's why international criminal agencies and agencies regulating banking, they discourage this because they believe that Hawala system could be used for terror financing. For example, if the sender in country A was involved in some terrorist activities and he sent the money to country B to Hawala system, then there will be no proof as to how much and when the sender sent the receiver the money. So it's a very old system, and it was a very actually effective system of sending and receiving money. So one would think that what is the benefit of Hawaladar in this, because money is sent by from country A to country B by the person, but what is the benefit of Hawaladar, because he is taking cash and the other Hawaladar is giving the cash. So what Hawaladar will do is that they charge transaction fee. It could be based on the amount of cash given and taken, or it could be based on one transaction and two transaction. It could be transaction wise or it could be amount wise. So now another question is that how do when once Hawaladar sends the money to Hawaladar in country B, how do they both are, one is getting the cash and the other is paying the cash to the receiver in country B, but they are not paying each other cash. So what they do is that they, at the end of a month or year or whatever the agreement is between Hawaladars in country A and B, they settle their accounts. For example, in a particular year, Hawaladar in country A sent Hawaladar in country B 50 million rupees, and Hawaladar in country B sent him 55 million rupees. So what is happening is that effectively Hawaladar A will have to give the Hawaladar B only 5 million rupees because the rest of the money was netted off. So that's how Hawaladar settle their accounts. They settle them on weekly basis, on monthly basis, and whatever is the contract between them. So that is how this Hawala system works. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Do post a comment if you have any questions, and I will make another video. Thank you.